everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my favorite sofa sets. This sofa is about 4 years old and I haven't cleaned it any time in my life. So this will be my first ever experience of cleaning the sofas. You can see this sofa is really dirty with lots and lots of stains and so many stones present at the corners. You can clearly see here that there's a stains of ink and there's so many patches, the strong stains, and so we will be cleaning this all and keep watching to know how I clean the sofa and also to know that what are the products I'm going to use to clean this sofa. So before started the cleaning, I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to empty up everything, all the stuffs, whatever it is present in the sofas. Also, I will be removing all the cushions, the sofa covers, and put them aside for washing. Also, you can see that in the cushions there are lots and lots of dust and many particles are stuck with it. Now for washing the cushion covers, I'm taking half a bucket of lukewarm water and then we'll mix a solution of any detergent. Also add a little bit of shampoo for good smells odor. And I also added some baking soda because baking soda is very much effective to remove any stains and dirty clothes. This kind of sofas can start with lots of dust, so first of all I'm dusting them before cleaning with the solution. And then now taking a bristle brush to remove all the ingredients that is stuck around the corners of the sofa. If you don't have a vacuum cleaner, then you can go with any kind of brush, a small unused brush or any other kind of brush to remove all that is stuck at the corners. I have found that there are lots of hair fall stuck around the sofas, so you can easily remove everything with a brush. You can see that I have removed everything well, whatever is possible. And then after that I'm taking half bucket of lukewarm water, one mug and one baby laundry wash, a half cup of baking soda, a brush and one towel. So I'm going to mix all this solution well. I chose this baby laundry wash because it smells good and also it's mild. It's not harsh, it will not remove the color of the sofas. I'm taking this body scrubbing foam to scrub the hot stains and also a towel to first wet the sofa. So after cleaning the stains with the soap, I also take another clean towel to remove the soaps. I hope you can see that the sofa is looking whiter and cleaner after cleaning. So I'm going to continue everything until I finish everything, the tables and both the sofas. So after cleaning the sofa, I also have cleaned the tables. You can see that the table is clearly white, and now I'm cleaning the cushion covers. So friends, now you can see that I have already cleaned the couch and it's looking very neat and clean now. So now I will let it dry by keeping the fan on at its highest speed for at least 3 to 5 hours if needed. Now after 5 hours later, I have put the cushion covers again and set everything very nicely accordingly. And I think this is not yet fully dried up, but I can't wait to make a video on this. So guys, this is the final look after it is dried. So I really hope that you have enjoyed the video and also found it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below which kind of video do you like to watch the most. So thanks for watching. Till then, see you.